Hey guys, Ford Man here. I'm gonna do a taste test review on these Wicklein baked apple cookies. These are actually Christmas cookies that I gotten back in Christmas time. Haven't used them yet. These are apple baked. Here's what they look like. They smell like apple. Let's see what they taste like. And I'm going to drink, eat cookie and drink chocolate drink, which you can buy in your local food city if you have a food city somewhere. This is kind of like chocolate milk, except it doesn't have any milk in it. This is actually cheaper than regular chocolate milk, but this tastes just like regular chocolate milk. It's got vitamin D, vitamin A, and so here's what the cookie looks like. Here's what the cookie looks like. Want to do a taste test on this? Mmm. 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 This was really good. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, these are definitely 10, guys. Mmm. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get over here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.